In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a potion on your Netvibes dashboard. So right now I'm in my Education tab, and if you scroll down, you'll notice that they've already set up a suggested potion. So I'm going to press Configure, and here it says Configure it. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to say anytime there is a new article that is in Education, and that it has inquiry in the title. So we're going to click Save. Then I want it to send me an email. I can also pick Send a Text, but I would have to do that not with the email icon, but with the texting icon. So there's my address. I can add another email address if I'd like to. And I'm going to hit Save. And then I'm going to click here. We're going to give it a title, Topic Watch Inquiry. Click down there. And there we go. So now I should receive an email anytime the word inquiry comes up in my Education news feeds. All right, so now I'll show you how to do it from scratch. Let's go now to the hashtag EdTech. And we are going to go to Add, Potion App. And we get to select our trigger from scratch now. So I'm going to just use feed again. And anytime there is, this time I'm going to say instead of having a word trigger it, I'm actually going to put I save an article. So I'll show you how to save an article in a minute, but whenever you save an article, you can trigger Netvibes to either send it to you by email, post it on Twitter, put it on Facebook. And let's just use the same keyword again, inquiry. And I can put it in the contents as well, but I'm just going to keep it in the title for now. So if I save an article that contains the word inquiry, then let's say I want it to go on Twitter anytime that I save an article, because I know that that's an article I want to share. So I can send a tweet, add it to a list, like or retweet. I'm going to hit send a tweet. And there's some other options you have there. We'll just keep going. Hit save. And we're going to give it a name. So tweet saved inquiry articles. We should be good to go. So there is my potion. Now, let's say, for example, I've changed my mind. I can turn that off. I can also delete it, and then that's gone. So let's say that we did want to save an article, just to recap. Let's say I'm in this Carmen Sandiego article. I can hit save here, and that would have caused the trigger. That would have then tweeted the saved article to my Twitter account. Don't forget that you can do the same thing from your reader view. Click an article. Let's go to Canadian Education this time. And I can save it. Same thing, it will save and cause that trigger. Let's try adding one more potion. So let's go back to the green add button, back to Potion App, and let's try a different one from Feed or Library now. Let's click on Weather. Let's find out when the weather forecast changes. Type in my city, pick Canada, and until the end of day, let's put Celsius. And I'm going to skip the temperatures, but I want to know if there is going to be a blizzard. So whenever there's a blizzard, hit save. What is it going to do? Again, you have some choices. You can have the Netvibes email you. You can have it put on Facebook. You can have it text you. I think I'm just going to put email. Okay. That should be all set up. I'm going to hit save. And blizzard alert. So we have that potion set up. I'm going to go back to my apps reader and we should see it. There it is. It's right on my Canadian Education tab. So let's actually put that in my Welcome tab instead. There we go. We are set.